To replace the throttle trigger on your leaf blower, first unthread the retaining knob screw to release the throttle control from the blower tube clamp. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the 2 halves of the throttle control. Lift off the right half. You can now lift out the old trigger and detach the throttle cable. Prepare the new throttle trigger for installation by transferring the spring from the old trigger to the new one. Attach the throttle cable. Now, keeping the spring depressed, align the trigger on the post. Confirm the wires and cable retainer are positioned in the channel. Make sure the mounting pin is in place, then realign the 2 halves of the throttle control and thread the screws. Reposition the throttle control in the blower tube clamp. Then thread and tighten the retaining knob screw. Keep in mind, you can rotate the throttle cable adjustment screw clockwise to increase tension on the cable, or counterclockwise to decrease the tension.